So okay students, so today we can start applied thermodynamics with these all the important units. So we can go through these all the important units one by one. Just we have to glance this associated with basics of thermodynamics. Okay, so first one is that symbol is A, that means that will be indicates area. The unit is meter square. C, that indicates specific heat. Unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Cp, specific heat at a constant pressure, and the unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Cv, that is a specific heat at a constant volume, and the unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. COP, coefficient of performance. This is associated with what? Heat pump and refrigerator. Okay, the efficiency of heat pump and refrigerator, that will be expressed in terms of coefficient of performance. Okay, so that is a unitless. D, diameter, the unit is meter. So E, that will be indicates specific total energy. Specific total energy, unit is kilojoule per kg. So the total energy that will be indicated by E, that is kilojoule. F, that will be indicates force in a Newton. Small g, that will be indicates acceleration due to gravity, and the unit is meter per second square. Small h, that will be indicates specific enthalpy, and the unit is kilojoule per kg. Capital H, that will be indicates total enthalpy, and the unit is kilojoule. The I will be indicate electric current, unit is ampere, and I is also indicate total invisibility, that is also having unit kilojoule. K, that indicates kinetic energy, unit is kilojoule. M, that is a mass in kg. M dot, that will be indicates mass flow rate, kg per second. MF, that is a mass fraction. N, that is a polytropic exponent. So the polytropic exponent, I think in basic thermodynamics you go through, that is PV raised to n equal to C. That's a polytropic process. Okay, N will be the number of moles. The unit is kilomoles. P, that will be indicating pressure in a kilopascal. The pressure is also having the unit bar, Newton per meter square, Newton per mm square. P, potential energy, so that will be indicating kilojoules. Q, small q, that will be indicating heat transfer per unit mass in kilojoules. Capital Q indicates total heat transfer in kilojoules. Q dot, heat transfer rate in kilowatts. R, gas constant in kilojoule per kg Kelvin. R bar, universal gas constant, that will be indicating kilojoule per kg mole Kelvin. S, specific entropy, unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Capital S, that will be indicating total entropy, and the unit is kilojoule per Kelvin. T, that will be indicating time, in unit is seconds. Capital T indicating the temperature, units are degree Celsius and Kelvin. TR, that is a reduced temperature. Capital U, specific internal energy, unit is kilojoule per kg. V, that will be indicating specific volume, and the unit is meter cube per kg. W, work per unit mass, the unit is kilojoule per gram. W, that is a total work, that will be indicating in kilojoules. Rho is the density, the unit is kg per meter cube. Gamma indicating the ratio of specific heat, that is Cp by Cv, that is a unitless. Z is elevation, it means height, and the unit is meter.